What's up, guys? Another beautiful day here in South Carolina. So today we're going to get this Camaro back as a roller. We're going to get the subframe, front cradle or whatever you want to call it, off the motor, back under the frame, and then Buddy's going to come pick this up. So I think the only things we got to do is our power steering lines, and then should just be the motor mounts. We should be able to pop this thing right off. And I say that, and usually there's about 10 other things you got to do, but see how it goes. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off this motor mount bolt. Got all the lines disconnected for the power steering, and actually this side here was actually already loose, so that's good. At least motor mount, but oh well, it's coming out either way. So. Take off the AC compressor, that way we can get to that motor mount bolt. That way this makes it a lot easier. Plus, we're not going to have AC on the car, so we might as well take it off. Alright, so I got the motor off of the cradle, subframe, whatever you want to call it. Made a giant mess as usual. But yeah, we got that out. Now I'm going to try and find another dolly, throw the subframe on it, we'll wheel that back around, get her bolted up. So, got this side just hand tight, kind of going back and forth with it. You can see, got this one in just a little bit on that side. We got to adjust the angle to get the back one, and then we're going to go to the other side, kind of jack that up and go slow back and forth, get her all lined up. Alright, so finally we got the subframe back in, and I guess a big tip is don't forget to line up your steering shaft, otherwise you're going to take it back off and do it again. So yeah, I had to do that. Alright, so we're officially done with the removal of the motor out of the old Camaro SS. See, she's monster trucking pretty hard without a motor in front. But everything's bolted back in. She's ready to go to its next home. For me, I'm going to get cleaned up, and I got to clean this garage because it's a damn mess. And then I think in the next video, we'll do all the chase bay stuff and all the new little goodies we got to do in the bay. Then we'll work on getting the motor ready to drop in. I think anybody who is kind of hesitant on pulling a motor out of something like this, honestly, it's actually pretty easy. It's just nuts and bolts, and comes right out the bottom. I didn't have a lift or anything like that. Just work at it slowly, and comes out no problem. So, yeah, we'll catch you on the next video with all the chase bay stuff. See ya.